Hey, this is Ben from WPAnswer.com. In this video, I'll teach you how to duplicate pages and posts in WordPress. You'll also learn how to clone a single page, how to copy multiple pages at once, and how to choose exactly which properties of the page you want to copy. Let's get started. I've got a basic WordPress site set up running the Mission News WordPress theme, and my goal is to duplicate this sample page that you can see right here. There's a featured image, there's a title, and some text and some quotes filled in here. In order to duplicate this page, I'll be using the Duplicate Post plugin. There are a few different plugins that have similar functionality. This one I find is best because it's easiest to use and it also has some pretty cool settings, which we'll check out at the end of the video. As you can see, WordPress users are overwhelmingly satisfied with this plugin. To install it, I'll first go to my dashboard, hover over the plugins menu item, and click on Add New. Then in the search box, I'll type in Duplicate Post. Once I enter that in, it'll be the first option. It looks like this with the 405 star reviews. I'll click Install Now to install it on my site, and once it's done, I'll click Activate. Once it's activated, I can view my Pages menu, and I'll close this box out. And you can see that when I hover over a page, I've got two new options. The first one is Clone. The second one is New Draft. Personally, I find these options to be a bit redundant. It's my one very small complaint about this plugin. If you click Clone, it creates a copy and you stay in the Pages menu. I'll go to the sample page now. If I click New Draft, it does the exact same thing, but it takes me to the editor. Here you can see I've got the title, all the same text, the block quotes, the link, and I was looking at this featured image over here, which is also included. If I visit the Pages menu, you'll see I have my original sample page and I have my draft. That's another cool feature about the Duplicate Post plugin is that it starts the new page off as a draft. Personally, I would be worried if I was duplicating and it was automatically republishing posts and pages to my site, so I appreciate the fact that it creates a draft. The draft is exactly the same in every way except for a few differences like the permalink, so you might want to update that before you publish it, but overall, it's the exact same thing. If you visit the Posts menu, you'll see the same clone and new draft options are available here as well. And before we go, let me just show you this new Duplicate Post settings menu added by the plugin because there's a few options here as well. You can decide exactly which attributes of the post you want to copy over, which is really, really cool. Depending on what you want to do, you might want to customize these if you have special needs. You can add a title, prefix, and suffix if you want. A few other options here as well. You can even limit this to certain user roles. Most likely you'll only want administrators and editors to be able to do this, and you can also choose which post types you can copy, so it may not be enabled for a custom post type and you can enable it here. Lastly, you can decide exactly where you want the duplication links to show up on your site. I hope you enjoyed this video. The Duplicate Post plugin makes it really easy to copy pages in your WordPress site. If you did enjoy this video, please click the like button below. If you want more WordPress tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.